Get excited about the 2014 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.